So okay guys, so I was able to fit the string here. I had to scrape off the end of the string because it was too thick. I used a scissor and I pried the fine tuners a little bit open because my string was too thick, and I closed it back using a pliers. So my A string is finally fitted, as you can see, and I'm about to restring it. And I did a mistake in string as well that you can at least prevent, is don't loosen up all the strings. Keep the other strings tight while you're restringing the strings. So right now I'm going to restring it. So we have here our A string, and this is the peg that we used a peg soap so that it wouldn't slide. All you have to do is insert this in. Okay, so insert this in and insert your first string in. This is the thickest string, the C string. I'm having trouble. Okay, there you go. So looking closely, just make sure it's coming out a little bit and start stringing. Let me see here. Forgot. I'm stringing it. Make sure you have like a little bit of string poking out, and push the peg in and make sure you are stringing it and not overlapping it. So now so don't let it go because it just springs right back out. So keep on stringing, make sure it's not overlapping. This is a little bit tricky, especially if you're a beginner like me. So make sure your bridge is straight, and make sure your string is fitted on this peg, this peg bar. So there you go. As you can see, it's pretty straight. There's no overlaps, and my bridge is straight. And then we're just gonna do, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna push really hard on the peg. So push it really hard that way so it doesn't spring back out. Push it in really hard, and we're gonna start with the next string. So this is your A string. I still have to adjust the bridge a little bit, but basically that's how you do it. Just repeat the process. And the only problem I have is I would have to scrape off all 3 of the remaining strings because it's too thick, like what I did here. So I had to scrape it off a little bit, open this a little bit with a flat screw, pry it a little bit, and make the thing fit. So that's our first string. Next string would be the G string, and as usual, let's open it. As you can see, this thing is too thick to fit. Let's try it out. I'm gonna try to fit it in the fine tuner and see if it will fit, but I don't think it's gonna fit, so I would have to scrape this again. Yep, it's too big. So I would have to do the same thing that I did with the thickest string. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up a little bit. Don't overdo it because it might break your fine tuner. So just open it up a little bit and see if it will fit, but if it doesn't, then you have to scrape off the string. Nope, it doesn't fit, so I would have to remove some part of the thread so it will fit. So over here, as you can see, I'm uncoiling the string a little bit. So as you can see, it's trying to uncoil the thing here. So you have to uncoil it until here, so it eventually fits. And then let's try it on.